students, class 9. Today we are going to see about types of polynomial. The types of polynomial is described in two types. The first type is polynomial on the basis of the number of terms. Another one is a polynomial based on the degree. Let's see one by one. Polynomials on the basis of number of terms. Monomial means it has only one term. It has only one term. Algebraic expressions contain only one term means we call this a monomial, that is a single term. The single term may be a constant or a combination of constant and variable, that is 7a, combination of one or more variables 7 x y. So these all are called a single term, that is only one term, right? Only one term. This the polynomial having only one term is called a monomial, right? And then next one, binomial. In this binomial we have bi means two, right? Bi means two terms. Mono means one, bi means two. Here the polynomial having two terms is called a binomial. The two terms can be differed by the operation of addition or subtraction. This is the term. For example, we take it as here 5x minus 3, 5x plus 3. See, this is the one term, this is the another term. So the polynomial is differed or separated by minus symbol. This is separated by addition symbol. This is called a binomial. And then 12q minus 1, right? These are the example for binomial. It has only two terms. Two terms is called a binomial. And then tri. We know that tri means three terms. Tri means three. Tri means three. Mono 1 by 2. Tri means 3. It has three terms are called a trinomial. The polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. For example, like this 4x square plus 6x minus 1. It has, see, x square having one term and x having one term and then constant term. So it has three terms. And then 9a square plus 4a plus 10 or minus 10, right? So 1, 2, 3. The three terms have been separated with plus and minus symbol. So this is called a trinomial. So first one we have seen the polynomial on the basis of the number of terms, and then second one is the polynomial is based on the degree of the polynomial. If where you get the constant term means the degree of the polynomial is 0, right? The degree of the polynomial is 0 means that is constant term 5x0. x0 value is 1. So this term is equal to 5. So only the constant term is called the 0 of the polynomial. Only the constant term, degree of 0 is called the constant polynomial. The polynomial of degree 0 is called the constant polynomial for this example. And then root 5, and then any real number is the constant term, we know that. So if the degree is 0 means surely it is a constant term. And then linear means we know that is 1 is called a linear. So the degree of this polynomial is 1. The degree of the polynomial is 1, then we call this a linear polynomial. For example, 4x minus 1, 12y plus 3, right? See, the variables having the power 1. Variables having the power 1. 48a plus 6. These are the examples of linear polynomial. Linear means 1. Only 1. The degree of the polynomial is 1. See, here also 1, here also 1, here also 1. These are examples of linear of the polynomial. Quadratic. Quadratic means the degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. Right? The polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. For this example, 4x square plus 6x minus 1. See, the degree of the polynomial is 2. Highest degree of the polynomial is 2. So, we call it as a quadratic polynomial. In generally, this equation is written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, and then a is not equal to 0. And then a is not equal to 0. If it is a is equal to 0 means the whole term becomes 0. Then we get bx plus c. Bx plus c means it is a linear polynomial in general. Here, the linear polynomial in generally we write it is in the form of ax plus b. The variables having the power 1 and a is not equal to 0. This is the linear polynomial, right? So, this is the general form of the quadratic polynomial. And the next one is a cubic. Cubic means we know that degree is equal to 3. Degree of the polynomial is 3. So, 4x cube plus 6x square plus 2x minus 1. See, the highest degree of the polynomial is 3. Then we call this a cubic polynomial. Either this is the cubic polynomial or simply we write it as 48a cube. This is also a cubic polynomial. Then what about the remaining terms? The remaining terms are 0, 0x square plus 0x and then constant term. So this is also a cubic polynomial. Always the cubic polynomials means or quadratic polynomials are in a linear polynomial. No need the algebraic expression. So this is also algebraic expression. No need to write that number of terms, right? In ascending order or descending order. Either it is also a cubic polynomial. Here we have only one term. In one term, the variables having power 3. This is also a cubic polynomial. In generally, we write it as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the general term of the cubic polynomial. Here a is not equal to 0. Surely here a is not equal to 0. If it is a is equal to 0 means the whole term becomes 0. Then bx square plus cx plus d, it turns to a quadratic polynomial. The power is 2. So that's why we say the condition a is not equal to 0. Thank you, students.